Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another 31 Days of Eyeshadow Palette look. Today we are going to be working with the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade palette, which came out somewhere around this summer. I will be upfront and say that I don't think this eyeshadow palette has the best formula, especially compared to her latte palette, which is really raved about. I really want to say that this is probably not worth the money. The mattes are not really that pigmented, so I will probably pass on this if you are of deeper tone. But with that being said, I do love the layout of the palette. It's super pretty. I just wish that the shades performed a little bit better. But I'm not going to spend a whole bunch of time talking about the palette. I think it retails for $44. So I'll leave, of course, like every video that I've been doing in this series, the palette down below with a link to where you can purchase it. So let's get right on into this video. Okay, so now we're all close and personal. Baby, let's get comfortable. I don't know if y'all remember that song. That used to be my jam a couple of years ago. But let's go ahead and start. I'm taking this first shade, which is Mango, which is yellow shade right here, and it's matte. I'm going to dip my Morphe M441 into that shade, and I'm putting that basically all over the lid because it's not really that pigmented, so I just, press it all over the lid and then blend it up. You see what I'm saying? Not that much pigment. The next shade that I'm going to dip into is this Lemonade Soda, which is supposed to be like this shimmer yellow shade, but this shade is not really good, and this is the newer one that she sent when she resent it out. Like, if you look at this swatch, guys, it's like, I don't know if you could tell it, but it has like a really powdery texture. So I add Fix Plus to make it the shimmer that it's supposed to be, because it's kind of a dud, So I'm going to go in with Fix Plus in that shade Lemonade Soda and place that on the lid. I'm taking my Morphe M441 and just kind of blending the two together. So now we're going to show a little bit of love to the lower lash line. I'm taking the shade Cucumber, which is the green shade in the palette. My lights make it really hard to see, but it's like a pretty cucumber green, not the outside of the cucumber, but the inside of the cucumber. Y'all get what I'm saying. So I'm taking my Fix Plus again, dipping it into Cucumber, and I'm just going to go on the lower lash line. So that was really easy. Now I'm just going to take some of this Riri Loves Matte Extended Play Giga Lash and put that on my bottom lash. And I'm also going to pop on a false lash just to give this look some zhuzh. And then, that's it. The look will be completed. Okay, so here is the final look. Thank you guys so much for tuning into another day of my 31 Days of Eyeshadow Palette series. I hope you enjoyed this look. It was really simple and easy to create. With that, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I post a video, so you can keep up with this series and the other videos that I post. Also, comment down below whether you had issues with the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade palette. I would be really interested to know your opinion. And like always, I will see you next video.